Hey everybody, Adam from ABOM79. Today I want to talk to you about Sta-Plex Extreme Pressure Premium Red Grease. I've been using Sta-Plex in and around my shop for many years now. Anytime I'm working on one of my trailers and I'm servicing the axle bearings, or I'm working on hydraulic cylinders, or I'm maintaining some of my equipment, Sta-Plex is what I go to. Sta-Plex is a multi-purpose red lithium complex grease that withstands extreme pressures and temperature ranges. It's formulated with anti-oxidation, anti-rust, and anti-wear additives. It is ideal for all of your high temperature and high performance applications. Some of the applications in which Sta-Plex is perfectly suited for is going to be all of your metalworking machinery, mining equipment, pumps, electric motors, ball and roller bearings, trucks, automobiles, construction equipment, tractors, mowers, water pumps. If you have an industrial application, an automotive application that requires high quality grease, Sta-Plex is what you want to use.